Hello, children. Welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is meaning of imaginative drawing. Our topic is meaning of imaginative drawing. An imaginative composition is the state of mind that is made of pictures, imagination, and expressed through arts, drawing, or painting. Imaginative composition is a drawing that comes to the mind through imagination, observation, or personal experience and expressed in drawing or painting. Imaginative composition is a set of new ideas in form of images or pictures presented into drawing or painting. Some of these drawings are scary sometimes. For example, half human and half fish, snake with human head, a man flying, etc. Some of these drawings are beautiful. So, children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.